Takbong Pinoy!
Good morning, Takbong Pinoy! Good morning guys! We're heading now dun sa mga kasama namin sa Manila Marathon. Time check 1:09 in the morning. Hanggang start ng 21 kilometers 4 AM. So kailangan nasa MOA na kami ng 3 in the morning para makapag-stretching pa kami. So samahan nyo kami guys. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya yung mga kaganapan doon. So malaking events to. Almost 19,000 participants for this Samsung Galaxy Manila Marathon organized by Run Rio. So once again, this is Takbong Pinoy. Abangan po ninyo mamaya yung mga latest na mga kukunin ko na video and i-upload dito later on. Thank you, good morning.
Salang sa resistensya rin Takbong Pinoy, sama-sama tayo dyan. Lakad, takbo o jogging lang, basta't masaya't malakas ang katawan. Takbong Pinoy, para sa kinabukasan, kalusugan ng puhunan laban sa karamdaman. Takbong Pinoy, araw-araw kay saya, lahat sama-sama salubungin ng magandang umaga. Oy pare, takbo na! Te ate, tara, sama ka. Di mo kailangan ng mahal na gamit pa, kailangan lang ay loob at sipag sa bawat hakbang mo, ha! Mapabata o matanda, welcome dito kahit sino, walang iwanan sa ruta, kahit baguhan o veterano. Tibay ng loob, di sukatan sa bilis, ang mahalaga'y gumagalaw ka para sa sariling peace. Takbong Pinoy, takbong may ngiti, takbo para sa puso.
Assemble time! Yan na, papunta na kami sa starting track. Yan na po.
Takbong Pinoy, tara na, tara na.
Nang sama-sama tayong maging mas malusog pa.
Takbong Pinoy, lahat sama-sama, salubungin ang magandang umaga. Ho! Siyang Takbong Pinoy!
21 kilometers guys. Here, Takbong Pinoy in the house. Alright.
And final wave of our 21K.
The sponsors booth also will be at the race village. And again, as you claim your loot bags, go through them one by one. They all have different offerings, activities. You can take home more gifts. That's right. So make sure that you all capture the moments, the precious moments of today. Use these official hashtags that you can see on your screens. And don't forget to also tag at Galaxy Marathon or Galaxy Manila Marathon on Instagram and at Run Rio on Instagram also and on Facebook.
I got out of the way to make sure everybody could see.
On the other side, we, I think, are having our 42K almost ready to finish.
Yes,
Congratulations in
come on in,
advance!
42K.
And may mga makakasalubong po kayo ng mga runners natin as we've set off 42K at midnight.
So that's a little over 4 hours.
What an incredible athletes we're the Run Rio tent that you can find at the Race Village.
Please make sure you stay hydrated. We got our friends from Gatorade here all throughout the race route. Please make sure, and we were telling everybody a while ago.
And final wave of 21K runners!
30 seconds.
Legendary race unfolding right before our very eyes. We all made it happen. This is the Galaxy Manila Marathon 2025.
15 seconds.
15 seconds. Join us for the final 10-second countdown.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Timer nyo!
Distance 1 kilometer. Duration
1K.
8 minutes and 55 seconds. Pace for the best 1 kilometer was 8 minutes 2 seconds.
2 kilometers.
Current rate 128 beats per minute.
Three kilometers. Sa Rojas Boulevard na kami, guys. Going through Luneta, din Chinatown, U-turn sa Chinatown, then Intramuros. Let's go.
Distance 4 kilometers.
4 kilometers.
37 minutes.
Let's go.
55 seconds. Pace for the best 1 kilometer was 9 minutes and 35 seconds. Current heart rate 125 beats per minute. Distance 5 kilometers.
5K.
Duration 48 minutes and 10
Let's go.
seconds. Pace for the best 1 kilometer was 10 minutes and 15 seconds. Current heart rate 125 beats per minute.
Luneta na tayo, guys. 6 kilometers.
8 minutes.
Let's go.
29 seconds. Pace for the best.
Woo.
1 kilometer was 10 minutes and 17 seconds. Current heart rate 123 beats. Pace for the best
7 kilometers.
was 10
Let's go.
and 39 seconds. Current heart rate 119 beats per minute.
Binondo na tayo guys. Diyan tayo mag-U-turn. Let's go. Alright, U-turn na tayo.
Distance 8 kilometers. Duration 1 hour
8K.
19 minutes.
Let's
and
go.
51 seconds. Pace for the best 1 kilometer was 10 minutes and 42 seconds. Current heart rate 121 beats per minute. You are 28 kilometers behind the Smart Companion. Your average pace is 9 minutes and 58 seconds. Current heart rate is 124 beats per minute.
Yun, nakakuha tayo ng saging. So, ay free na saging. Gatorade, sa mga drinks. Sila yung mga sponsor. Kaya kain muna tayo ng saging. Naka 8 kilometers na tayo guys. So far maliwanag na rin. Pero tatapusin natin to. Let's go. 9K.
Was 11 minutes
Let's go.
and 32 seconds.
Intramuros. Intramuros na tayo guys. Let's go.
Distance 10 kilometers.
10K.
Duration 1 hour.
Let's go.
41 minutes and 28 seconds. Pace for the back. Distance 11 kilometers.
11K.
Duration 1
Let's
hour,
go.
51 minutes and 53 seconds. Pace for the best 1 kilometer was 10 minutes and 25 seconds. Distance 12 kilometers.
Okay.
Duration 2 hours. 1
Let's
minute
go.
and 50 seconds. Pace for the best 1 kilometer was 9 minutes and 57 seconds. Current heart rate 125 beats per minute.
13K. Let's go. Let's go. 18K. Let's go. Kaya na yun guys. Tara. Woo! Ah! $19K. Let's go. Alright. Gatorade in the house, yo. Inom muna tayo.
Tara na, isuot na ang sapatos, sabay-sabay tayong sumaya. Sa takbong Pinoy, lahat sama-sama, salubungin ang magandang umaga. Paglabas ng bahay, may araw na kay saya.
Alright guys, malapit na tayo. Iikot na lang tayo dyan. Kakanan na lang tayo. Tapos U-turn tayo and then finish line na. Woo! Alright, kaya pa to. Let's go. Takbong Pinoy. Subscribe kayo sa aking channel, Takbong Pinoy. Then paki-hit and like and notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga video na i-upload ko. Thank you.
Pinoy, araw-araw kay saya, lahat sama-sama salubungin ng magandang umaga. Oy pare, takbo na! Te ate, tara, sama ka. Di mo kailangan ng mahal na gamit pa, kailangan lang ay loob at sipag sa bawat hakbang mo, ha! Mapabata o matanda, welcome dito kahit sino, walang iwanan sa ruta, kahit baguhan o veterano. Tibay ng loob, di sukatan sa bilis, ang mahalaga'y gumagalaw ka para sa sariling peace. Takbong Pinoy, takbong may ngiti, takbo para sa puso, salang sa resistensya. Takbong Pinoy, sama-sama tayo dyan, lakad, takbo o jogging lang, basta't masaya't malakas ang katawan. Takbong Pinoy, para sa kinabukasan, kalusugan ng puhunan, laban sa karamdaman. Takbong Pinoy,
21 kilometers. Yoo-hoo!
Pace for the best. 1 kilometer was 10 minutes and 36 seconds.
21 kilometers. We did it.
And 34 beats per minute.
Woo.
umaga. Ho! Sa Takbong Pinoy! Takbong Pinoy! Tara na, isuot na ang sapatos, sabay-sabay tayong sumaya. Sa Takbong Pinoy, lahat sama-sama, salubungin ng magandang umaga. Paglabas ng bahay, may araw na kay saya. Tumatakbo ang tropa, may hangarin na maganda. Di lang para pumayat o para sa forma lang, kundi para sa kalusugan, yan ang tunay na laban. Pawis man ay patak ng sipag at saya, kada hakbang tagumpay sa bawat umaga. Fun run o marathon, kahit anong distansya, basta Pinoy. Pag sa bawat hakbang mo, mapabataw